Hello, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, 802 Honda, and they're all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. Currently we have clearing skies working in from north to south, and this is going to continue for a pretty awesome rest of Friday afternoon. This will last into what looks like Sunday late in the day at least. But we'll have showers and thunderstorms creep in from the north, and that'll set the stage for what could be a fairly robust scenario on Monday. Currently, we're looking at the bigger scale here. As you can see, a lot of sunshine. The clouds are exiting out of the region. And this is the ridging of higher pressure that's going to be associated with some generally decent weather through this entire Father's Day weekend. Again, the only issue is going to be precipitation, moisture, convective available potential energy, which you can see the solid colors here. This is going to be working its way around this ridge and come at us in such a way it's going to be coming in from north to south during the day, late in the day on Sunday, into Sunday night, especially into the day on Monday. Monday looks like a robust, severe weather potential day, and with that will also come heat indices that will be well up into the 90s. In fact, even indicated as high as 95 degrees in Montpelier. Very unusual. That's right at the top of the line. So this is currently our situation here, and you can see a big area of higher pressure. No precipitation across a wide area of the northeast United States. And we'll scoot this along and continue this. So our next precipitation, this is going to start to develop some shower and thunderstorm activity. This would be late in the day on Sunday, or actually Sunday afternoon. And you can see something moves across the northern tier region. That's our first threat. Then we get into Sunday night. We start to see this fairly robust, sort of the northern edge of what I would call the ring of fire. This is the Bermuda High. It's pumping Gulf of Mexico moisture and also some embedded tropical storm Bud moisture. It looks like it's being pulled and pushed and along a boundary there, and it's going to be sagging through our neck of the woods into Monday. And as it does so, sometimes we can get some of our worst severe weather with these kinds of situations. And eventually, it pushes off to the south. It opens the door for an area of higher pressure that'll build in. It looks like after that period, mainly Wednesday, Thursday, and probably into Friday. This is going 7 days out. And we'll take a look here. This is into Friday. And our next system looks like a little bit of a cold front with another round of showers, maybe some thunderstorm activity beyond that period. But a lot of nice weather after Tuesday of next week. First part of the week, very, very stormy. GFS ensemble showing earlier precipitation. This is now dry, and then we start to see those shower and thunderstorm threats for both the late in the day on Sunday into Sunday evening. Again, this is centered on Burlington, Vermont, so northern Vermont mostly affected here, and then more widespread, it looks like on Monday and probably into Monday night and portions of Tuesday. Precipitation looks like the main storm track is going to be along the northern Great Lakes, U.S.-Canadian border, northern New England. And that does also coincide with what the Weather Prediction Center is saying for the next 7 days. GFS ensemble temperature forecast, you can see a steady stepladder up with the 2 warmest days coming in on Sunday and into Monday. Temperatures, at least by the ensemble, showing near 90 degrees in Burlington. This is likely going to be higher. And some very sultry overnight lows. 5-day anomalous temperatures. These are high temperatures. They're going to be running about 6 degrees above normal. This is weighted after coming in a little bit on the cool side. And then about 3 days later, you're looking at around 9 degrees, 6 to 9 degrees above normal. And that goes into the later part of the week. Again, it's going to be weighted very much on what happens on Sunday and Monday, really throwing a lot of weight there. No issues in the tropics for the next 5 days. So far, so good. And we're going to end on this note. This is the heat indices, and you can see this is by 2 o'clock on Monday afternoon. You can see some incredible heat indices over a wide area of the country. This is definitely going to affect utilities in terms of electrical spikes. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.